Prostate problems? You're not alone. As men age, prostate health often declines. This is a common issue that many men face, but it's not often talked about openly. The prostate is a small gland, but it has a big impact on a man's quality of life. This tiny gland plays a big role in men's health. It's responsible for producing some of the fluid in semen, which is crucial for fertility. However, as men get older, the prostate can become enlarged or inflamed, leading to various health issues, but many men face issues like frequent urination, especially at night. This can be one of the first signs that something is not quite right with the prostate. It can be incredibly disruptive, causing men to wake up multiple times during the night. This can disrupt sleep and affect overall well-being. Lack of sleep can lead to fatigue, irritability, and a decrease in productivity during the day. It can also impact mental health, leading to feelings of frustration and helplessness. The good news is that natural solutions can help. There are various supplements and lifestyle changes that can support prostate health and alleviate symptoms. These natural remedies can be a great alternative to more invasive treatments. Many men over 40 experience these issues. It's important to know that you're not alone and that there are ways to manage and improve your prostate health. Staying active and maintaining a healthy diet can also make a significant difference. They may feel embarrassed and frustrated. It's common to feel this way, but it's crucial to talk about these issues and seek help. Ignoring the problem won't make it go away, and it can actually make things worse in the long run, but it's crucial to address these problems. Speaking with a healthcare professional can provide you with the information and support you need. There are many resources available to help you understand and manage your prostate health. Ignoring them can lead to more serious health concerns. Prostate issues can escalate if left untreated, potentially leading to more severe conditions like prostate cancer. Early detection and intervention are key to maintaining good health. Fortunately, there's a natural way to support prostate health. Supplements like Prostavive are designed to target the root causes of prostate problems, offering a safe and effective solution. Let's explore Prostavive, a supplement designed to target the root causes of prostate problems. With the right approach, you can take control of your prostate health and improve your quality of life. Introducing Prostavive, a natural solution, designed specifically for men who want to take control of their prostate health naturally. Prostavive is a natural dietary supplement that combines the best of nature's ingredients. It helps men over 40 regain control of their prostate health, allowing them to live life to the fullest without the constant worry of prostate issues. Made with a potent blend of natural ingredients, Prostavive offers a safe and effective alternative to drugs or surgery. Each ingredient is carefully selected for its unique properties and benefits. The unique formula targets the root causes of prostate issues, providing long-term relief and promoting overall prostate health. It doesn't just mask the symptoms but works to address the underlying problems. This three-phase approach makes Prostavive stand out, ensuring comprehensive care and support for your prostate health. Prostavive is more than just a supplement. It's a lifestyle choice that promotes overall well-being and happiness. It's a commitment to improving men's health and well-being naturally, helping you lead a healthier, more fulfilling life. The science behind Prostavive's effectiveness. Prostavive is a revolutionary supplement designed to support prostate health through a scientifically backed approach. Let's delve into the unique mechanisms that make Prostavive so effective. Prostavive's power lies in its unique three-phase action, each meticulously designed to target different aspects of prostate health. Phase 1. Supporting healthy blood flow. Proper blood flow is crucial for maintaining a healthy prostate. Prostavive enhances blood circulation in the prostate, ensuring that essential nutrients and oxygen reach the prostate tissue effectively. This helps remove toxins and promotes natural cleansing, which is vital for preventing inflammation and other prostate issues. Phase 2. Flushing out toxins. Over time, toxins can accumulate in the prostate, leading to various health problems. Powerful antioxidants in Prostavive help flush out harmful toxins that can damage the prostate. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress. Phase 3. Regulating hormone levels. Hormonal balance is essential for prostate health, as imbalances can lead to enlargement and other issues. Prostavive includes ingredients like tonkat ali and ashwagandha, which are known for their hormone-regulating properties. These herbs help balance hormone levels, further supporting prostate health. They work synergistically to ensure optimal function and well-being. These ingredients have been scientifically studied for their benefits, providing a solid foundation for Prostavive's effectiveness. They work together to support a healthy prostate and improve urinary function, helping men lead a more comfortable and active life. Section 4. Real Men, Real Results, Prostavive Testimonials. Many men have experienced life-changing results with Prostavive. They report reduced nighttime urination, improved urine flow and bladder control, increased energy levels and vitality, and enhanced sexual health and performance. These testimonials highlight the real-life impact of Prostavive. Men are reclaiming their nights, their confidence, and their lives. Section 5. Take control of your prostate health today. Don't let prostate problems control your life. Take charge with Prostavive. This natural supplement, backed by science and positive user experiences, offers a path to lasting prostate health. Remember to purchase Prostavive only from the official website. This ensures you receive the genuine product and can access their money-back guarantee. Take the first step towards a healthier, happier you.